Hey guys, I'm Blakemore. I teach travel, sometimes triumph. This is a travel video. So this week I'm in Taiwan, so this vlog is going to be from Taiwan. There's one place that I really want to show you, and that is a cube capsule type hotel. You might have seen one before, but I think I found a little bit of a gem. This one cost me just over £10 a night, so I'm going to go in there now, give you a bit of a tour. So let's go and have a little explore. So you wouldn't think much, but to find it you kind of have to go through this arcade, down a set of stairs. So this is the lobby area. Now to check it, you need to tap this here, and then it opens up. So down this lobbyway there's a range of different lockers. The lockers are pretty straightforward, just simple combination codes, and that opens those up just past the toilet slash bathroom, and that's not really what I want to show you. So we come to the main room here. To open the room again, a bit like a hotel, you tap that there. Now you'll see all the different capsules. My one is 131, so it'll come through. Now to get up, that's a little bit of a tough part, and you'll see inside it says we've got Wi-Fi. Obviously keep quiet, no smoking, so 131. Now to get through this door you have to scan, and then this slides open. So then inside here it's pretty basic until you get inside, and then you flick the lights on. That's not going to do anything, obviously not, because you need to put the card in. So then you put the card in, and then the mirror, there's the main bed, blue lights at the top, and that's like a book like for just above the bed. So we'll leave that open and show you around. So when you come in they give you like a little basket that's got some toiletries in. I've just used it as a bit of a storage blanket. So you'll see there's a TV, pretty obvious. I'm going to show you the other bits and pieces as well. It's pretty cool. So this door slides, and when it slides that locks, so that's locked now. So TV needs a remote, obviously. This is for the TV as well. Ah, there's the remote. So TV, pretty straightforward. Turn that on. Whilst we're waiting, there's a safe down here. And then this is the aircon. This has already been plugged in, but multi-port plug socket. Just got mine in so that I can charge my laptop. And then the controls control that. What else have we got? This here, like a, oh that's a bit loud, like a tray type thing. So that goes across your lap. So yeah. So this is a pretty cool little place for just over £10 a night, and you've got the privacy that you want. I'm meant to be quiet at the moment, so I'm not really doing that. You've got the privacy that you want. The price is good. Breakfast is included as well. They've given like McDonald's vouchers. It's not a paid advertisement or anything like that, but you know when you just see a place and you think, yeah, that's pretty good and deserves some recognition. And yeah, this is one of those places. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the rest of Taiwan is like, because if it's anything like this, then I'm really impressed. So I'm going to do a full week in Taiwan. I've only actually got like 3-4 days, but hope you enjoy.